My name is Jen Schopfer. Connected Aviation Solutions as a business is all about enabling the digitization of our industry. And this is a trend that's been happening really across aviation for, over a decade. I've always had a passion for how can we use analytics, the power of data to make an impact in the various industries and various businesses that I've been a part of. The aviation industry really does connect the world. It enables us to get to important business meetings, to go see faraway friends and family. Our role in Connected Aviation Solutions is to connect aviation. That's our mission statement. And the reason that we want to enable that connectivity is to drive for big outcomes. Our belief is that the more data that you can generate across that ecosystem, the faster you can get it into your hands and put into use in your system and broadly speaking across that industry, the more friction you can take out. And thus the more efficient, the more reliable, the more sustainable, and the better the passenger experience can be across the industry. One of the reasons why enabling the connected ecosystem across aviation is so challenging is because the aviation industry itself is very complex and has so many stakeholders. So what happens when you have a lot of stakeholders trying to work together to enable something is inherently you'll have siloed information that creates friction points. So what are a few of those friction points that we experience probably oftentimes when we travel? The first one is longer lines in airports, right? And that can be solved through a number of our airport solutions that we offer, whether it's biometric technologies that help passengers board an aircraft faster, whether that's passenger processing applications or self-bag drop solutions, whether that's airport operational systems that help airports better manage their assets around an airport so that you have fewer gate changes, so that from a sustainability angle as well, you know when to heat or cool those gates in an optimized way when passengers are about to start using them. The second point of friction that happens are maintenance-related delays and cancellations. We have a product called Essentia, which is our prognostics and health monitoring solution that's really aimed at predictive maintenance types of outcomes. So helping airlines to in real time monitor and analyze critical components on their aircraft so that they can get out in front of those potential maintenance delays and cancellations. In looking at our solution, we believe that we can help airlines prevent about 30% of maintenance delays and cancellations and save 20% of costs by optimizing their maintenance schedules. The third thing is, how do you en route connect pieces of information so that the arrival airport is ready and prepared for that aircraft? And there's multiple solutions in our portfolio that when stitched together can help with a use case like that. One example is our flight profile optimizer. So this is an application that pilots can use to adjust in real time, en route, their flight profile to save time, to save money, and to save fuel burn and CO2 emissions. RTX, as the largest aerospace and defense company, is extremely well positioned, but also has the fortitude to tackle our customers' toughest challenges. When you look across our portfolio and you look at the breadth and depth we have across the industry, the deep digital technologies in my business is one example. The breadth across the Collins portfolio, everything from interiors to advanced structures to power and control systems to Pratt & Whitney engines. Combining that together, we really can solve some of our customers' toughest challenges.